In the wake of this case, the Municipal Corporation of Delhi has started action against illegal coaching centers, and around 13 coaching centers have been sealed till now. These include IS Gurukul and Chahal Academy, Plutus Academy, Sai Trading, IS Setu, Toppers Academy, Dainik Samvad, Civil Diary IS, Career Par, 99 Notes, Vidya Guru, Guidance IS and Easy for IS, and many more. Additional Commissioner of MCD has spoken about this as well. Now let's listen in.
हमने की है, क्लोज की है, बाकी आने वाले दिनों में वी आर टेकिंग एक्शन. अभी फर्दर नो आगे, अभी ऑलरेडी हम लोग जो है शाम से एक्शन शुरू किया है. अभी 3 यूनिट्स की हमने क्या कहते हैं बेसमेंट हमने की है, क्लोज की है, बाकी आने वाले दिनों में वी आर टेकिंग एक्शन. अभी फर्दर नो अदर इंक्वायरी गवर्नमेंट ने ऑर्डर की है कि अभी ऑलरेडी हम लोग जो है शाम से एक्शन शुरू किया है. अभी 3 यूनिट्स की हमने क्या कहते हैं बेसमेंट हमने की है, क्लोज की है, बाकी आने वाले दिनों में वी आर टेकिंग एक्शन. अभी फर्दर नो अदर इंक्वायरी गवर्नमेंट ने ऑर्डर की है कि अभी ऑलरेडी.
Well, joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Arzu Seth on this very breaking that we are taking up right now. Arzu, as we can given to understand that the MCD had only swung into action after the death raises concern, and death of the 3 unfortunate, 3 of the innocent children had actually shocked people and exposed the system. But the MCD has now come out and started sealing the other IAS coaching after, and this could be seen as an alarm bell, I believe. What more details can you share?
Well, all this happened just because of the negligence of the administration. This is all we can say. And a day after sudden flooding in the basement of an IAS coaching center in the Delhi, killed the 3 innocent lives, and the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, after such tragedy has happened, has sealed 13 coaching centers in the old Rajendra Nagar area that was found violating rules. A team from the civic body conducted searches at the several coaching centers in the area on Sunday and sealed institutes that were running commercial activities in the basement. This is what the Delhi's Mayor Shelly Oberoi has said, and in fact we are seeing the war of words regarding this particular incident, tragedy that has happened in the old Rajendra Nagar, where the Bharatiya Janata Party, directly attacking the government and saying that this is the corrupt Aam Aadmi Party, due to which such tragedy has happened. The MCD, the Aam Aadmi Party government has done nothing for the welfare of the people. There has been a water logging since several days. Just after the 1 or 2 hours of the rainfall, such situation have erupted in the old Rajendra Nagar in the Karol Bagh area, and due to which such tragedy has happened. And in fact, the mayor has wrote that after yesterday traffic incident, MCD have started the process of sealing all the coaching centers in the Rajendra Nagar that were violating rules in the basement. If necessary, this campaign will be run all over the Delhi. So where I see this statement, Simran, it's not whether it will be necessary. It is necessary to run this campaign so that it can be come out that all the legal activities that have been happening in the national capital should be shut down, because these illegal activities are taking the life of the innocent. They have done nothing wrong. They just came here from far away from their home just to fulfill their dreams, and what they got in return, they lost their lives. So this is very heart-wrenching to see. And in fact, we have seen how their parents were crying in the hospital, but they have nothing to do now. They have lost their children. Yes, Sunil.
All right, Arzu. Of course, indeed, this incident has only been a wake-up call for the authorities and for the coaching centers to wake up, and also to see the kind of arrangements that have been made and illegally run under the watch of the authorities and the Delhi government as well.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.